Have you noticed this feature in the website where a user can show less of something and can also show more of something? All right, in this video, that's what we're going to learn and how we can build something similar to this. Exactly, we're going to build something similar to this. If you click on show less, it shows less. If you click on show more, then it shows more. Right now, let's get into our Visual Studio Code. We're going to use React to create this, as I've already said in the title and the thumbnails. All right, now inside this, we're going to create a variable. And the variable, we're going to go straight. We're going to name it privacy because what we are going to show more and show less is privacy. And we set the privacy. If you already know use states, you know how it works. Set privacy and equal to react.useState. Then right, you're going to type the privacy policy that you're talking about. So we say the privacy policy states something like this. Now, this is what the user is going to see initially. So if I come right here and I create a paragraph tag, I can just type in a privacy here and I save this. Like check right here, you can see privacy policy states. And that's what the initial value of the use of the state is what shows inside the app right now, inside my React app. All right, so under this, we can create a function, two functions. That's going to show more, show less. So I'm going to create one function. It will be show more, and I'm going to copy this and duplicate it. All right, so show less. It's going to be the two functions, and the show more. We are going to set the privacy policy to something like this. Set privacy policy. So when the user clicks, what should happen else? You are trying to get access to it. So if the user clicks on the button, something that you add, you show this. Now I'll copy this whole thing inside of the whole value inside the initial value of the privacy. So I'll paste it here. Now the privacy policy states that this information cannot be shared with any third party. Now I'll just copy this whole line again to the information. The privacy policy states that. Now I'll copy this. Now I'll come here inside the show less function. Then I'll just say sets privacy. Now let's type in this. The privacy policy state that. Now inside here, we are going to add some href tags. Let's add the href tag usually look like. So the href tag, first one we're going to be for the show more, and this one going to be for the show less. And now inside this href tags, we are giving an href so that it will be a link form hash. Nothing. And now on click, will be show more. And inside this href tag, we can just say show more here. So if I say this and I check here, if I press show more, all of them show. But we want to add another feature. When you click on the show less, then it shows less. So this same way, the href right here, you're also going to set it to hash. And on click, you're going to set it to show less. As we already created a show less function right here. And now I'm going to write here show less. And if I save it and I click on show less right here, you can see that both of them line together, something like this. Very nice. All right, so if I click on show less, then if I click on show more, then it shows. That is how it works. Okay, so the show more and show less works together in some ways that it helps you. We can just copy all of this from here and paste it outside the privacy. Outside the privacy tag, something like this. Right, show more, show less. It's not working. So the show more and show less derives their state from the function. So when I click on show mode, it goes through the states and the states gives the initial value of the privacy policy state that. And we have the set privacy where it allows you to add some specific action to it. Maybe it has been stated inside a function. And inside that function, we call that function inside our href tag right here. So you can see href and click show more and show less. So if I show more, more comes. If I show less, show more, show less. All right, this is how it usually works. Okay, if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below and we'll discuss about it. And I would like to use this opportunity to tell you that if it's the first May that you are watching this or first June, I found this channel on the first May 2023 and I uploaded the HTML full course. I was 15 at that time. yeah, I was 15 years at that time, and right now I'm 16 years, and in about 6 months I'll turn 17. And I'm making a promise right here that soon I'm going to hit 1 million subscribers. And there's a promise I'm making for my future self. So that when the future comes, I'll come and watch this. And if I don't reach a million, it's going to be something else. But I believe I'm going to reach a million. I'm saying this right here. So all the fans and everyone watching, you can refer to this after some period of time. If I really hit that million, so help me hit that million by subscribing and helping us grow as I share a lot of things. I didn't create this channel for money. I created it to connect people to a community that will help people, like people and understand them because we're in a technological world right now. When we need to learn how to communicate with the computer because that's what we use for everything in our daily lives. It's not just React JavaScript. It's a lot of things. A lot of things. Artificial intelligence, together with the machine learning and the rest. Virtual reality, a lot of stuffs. So the computer is used for everything. Literally. So I think you should subscribe and let's create a community so that we can help each other. All right. Cheers.